Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Blazer. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855951. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use a little bit of double-sided tape. You'll see it as this white covering under here. You do want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always attach your mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach right here. Basically, the first seam is going to be between this silver piece and the soft trim underneath, right in there. The second seam is underneath that soft piece where it meets these buttons underneath the dash here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the included gap openers and we're just going to insert them to open up this seam nice and wide. And then we're going to take this upper angled edge, and this gap is pretty narrow, so you want to be very careful when you're working this angled edge in here so that you don't scrape the bottom of your trim here. There we go. Take the gap openers out, and now we're going to insert them underneath. And now we're basically just going to grab the face with our thumb and put our fingers on the bottom, and we're going to rotate the mount down until it snaps into that seam. There we go. Take out the gap openers, and now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.